In this lesson, we're going to talk about simply putting in basic data into a worksheet. Pretty basic stuff. We're going to type some text. We're going to put some numbers in and just learn how to manipulate our mouse in the cells in a worksheet. So we're going to open a new worksheet. I've got something I've been working on the screen. I'm going to go to File, New, Blank Workbook. And in A1, by default, A1 is selected. The green border means that A1 is selected. Now I'm going to type in the name of a company, Fabricam Inc., and hit enter. Enter is going to take us to the second row. Our rows run horizontally, and our columns run top to bottom. So we're on row 2. So in cell A2, I'm going to type employee list, press enter. I'm going to get down to A4. So I'm going to skip a line. I can either use my mouse or faster, just hit enter one more time, and it's going to take me down to A4. I'm going to type in name, and this time I'm going to hit tab. Tab's going to take me to the right. So now I should be in the cell called B4. I'm going to type the word extension. So it's a phone extension, I guess. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to take me back to A5. It's going to go down a line and go back to the left. I'm going to type Richard Carey, hit enter, or tab, I'm sorry, and type 101. 101. And if you notice, at first Richard Carey's name was overlapped onto B5. Now that I've put something in B5, it is now the rest of Richard's last name is hidden. So we're going to hit enter. So his name's kind of cut off. So now we're going to type David Ortiz. Press enter. I'm going to type Kim Akers. Press enter. Type Nicole Karen. Press enter. And we're also going to talk about changing the column width in this video. So if we go up between columns A and B, up here in the gray area, and it should change to a double headed arrow. We're going to double click, and it's going to auto fit our column to the longest name or number or what entry in our column. And then we're going to do the same thing with B, but instead of double clicking, when we see the two-headed arrow, we're going to we can move it manually. Just click, grab it, and move it to the right, to however far you want it to go. We're going to save this file. Save. Since it's new, it's going to go automatically to our Save As screen. I'm going to browse, put in documents. I'm going to put it in my Excel folder, lesson 2. I'm going to call it O2. Fabricam Employees Solution. I'm going to hit save.